Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reschedule a Calendly event. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Calendly. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left side, we have the create button, the event types, the four flows, we have the operating plan and the admin center. Also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reschedule a Calendly event. So it is pretty simple, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go to all your events. So we have the event types and schedule events. What you will need to go and focus on is the schedule events. Click on that button. Here guys, as you can see, we have my Calendly. We have upcoming events, pending, past, and the date range, where you can go and put the date range. And here guys, you will have to have all of your events in one place. At the moment, I don't have any events. That is why this is empty for me. But be sure when you have an event, it'll be here. But now how can you reschedule it? Well, you have to go into the date range, and here guys, you have the calendar, where you can choose your from where to where you can go and put your date and apply it, and that's basically that. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.